Capricorn 2020 horoscope. A look at the year ahead. Capricorn horoscope 2020 predicts that this is a great year for improving yourself. Whether you are trying to improve your love life, social life, work life, or personal life, you are sure to be able to do it if you put your mind to it. Nothing is out of your reach this year if you try hard enough. Capricorn people are born between December 23rd and January 20th. They tend to be highly practical and ambitious people. They are patient and can often be seen as perfectionists. Capricorn zodiac sign are careful about every decision that they make. They can be pessimistic at times, but they can make up for this with their humorous nature. All of these traits can help the Capricorn person in 2020. Capricorn 2020 love predictions. Capricorn, this year in 2020 your love life is likely to be the center of your life. It is time to commit to your long-term relationships if you are already in one. Taking things to the next level, moving in together, getting engaged or married, or even having a baby together are great ways to do this. If you are not already in a relationship, but if you also want to be in a relationship, then a great place to begin your search is in the circle of friends that you already have. These people will likely make good partners because you are likely to have more in common with them than with strangers. Read more about dating a Capricorn. Capricorn, make sure that your partner knows what you need in a relationship, and make sure that you pay attention to what your partner needs as well. You are also likely to make new friends. You may even begin to like people who are very different from your current friends. These people will invite change and opportunity to your life. Predicts the 2020 astrology predictions. Capricorn career prospects for 2020. In 2020, Capricorn goals will be more defined in the workplace. Your past clients and contacts will be especially helpful this year when it comes to success in your business. Making new clients and strong relationships with your coworkers is also important for your career. This will help you to stand out to your superiors, which could earn you a reward of some sort. Capricorn finance 2020 forecasts. Capricorn, there will be some difficulties in your finance this year in 2020, but also many opportunities. Don't forget your goals this year. You will have a better grasp on your budget this year. Overall, you should have a better job of managing your money, which should help you out this year a lot. Health horoscope for the sea goat. Just because you're improving your inner self doesn't mean that you should let your outer self suffer. Capricorn, make sure that you often exercise and try to have a balanced diet. Luckily, you are not likely to get sick. You should still regularly visit a doctor and dentist for checkups during the 2020 Mercury retrograde dates. 2020 forecasts for Capricorn birthdays. Capricorn sun sign will begin to see things in a new light this year in 2020. You will strive for inner harmony, as well as outer peace. You may also be more in touch with your religion this year. No matter what you do, you are likely to want to work on improving your inner self in one way or another.